Okay, so on any Android device, over time, your apps will start to use more and more storage for cache and other reasons. This can lead to the app slowing down or just completely refusing to load altogether. There's a very simple fix. Go into your app. For this example, we'll use Facebook. Long press and then tap on the eye at the top right. Scroll down to memory and then tap. Then tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Force stop will stop the app running on your phone, but it's not going to cause any issues with the data you've got there already. It's just going to stop it. Choose force stop and then click on the arrow at the top left. Now, go into storage and then down the bottom you'll see one called clear cache. The cache memory is junk, such as images that you download when you're scrolling through your Facebook timeline, for example. Click on clear cache, and what will happen is this number here will go to 0. Click on the top left again, and then click on your home button, go back into the app, and it's going to launch like it's the first time. However, again, you're still going to be logged in.